Okay, so our target audience is players who love challenging atmospheric games like Hollow Knight and Dead Cells. For our end user, we chose my brother because of his passion for gaming and his very critical nature, perfect for honest feedback. To validate our idea, we interviewed 105 people, and 102 said they would be interested in playing Dustbound. That overwhelming response confirmed that our concept had a strong potential. Um, as well as my brother, as well as another reason we chose my brother is because he is known for being a very harsh critic in games, and I wanted to push myself and my teammate John in making the best game possible.
Part of our project lies a challenge that's both creative and technical to design a 2D dark fantasy game that captures the emotional weight and atmospheric depth of titles like Hollow Knight and Dark Souls, while remaining achievable for a beginner Unity developer. We chose this challenge because we wanted to push ourselves beyond simple mechanics and explore how narrative tone and visual design can invoke a sense of mystery, dread, and discovery. Our game isn't just about platforming or combat, it's about immersion. We want our players to feel like they've stepped into a forgotten world, one where every shadow hides a story and every encounter lies meaning. This challenge was also deeply personal. As students who were learning to balance ambition with feasibility, we knew we had to make hard decisions, cutting complex mechanics, simplifying animations, and focusing on what truly matters: atmosphere, lore, and emotional impact. This challenge gave us a clear direction: build a game that feels serious, grounded, and haunting without overwhelming our development pipeline. This clarity shaped every single decision that we made moving forward. For research and brainstorming, our ideation process began with deep research into the genre. We studied games like Blasphemous, Salt and Sanctuary, and Ender Lilies, analyzed how they use visual storytelling and sound design and minimal UI to create immersive worlds. More than anything, as students, we played the games. We experienced them. We felt the emotions that they wanted us to feel, and then we used that to put that into our game. We also interviewed classmates who are fans of the genre, asking what they love and what they don't like. Their feedback helped us to prioritize clarity and controls, meaningful exploration, and emotional storytelling. We brainstormed mechanics that would be achievable in Unity, like simple melee combat, environmental storytelling through static objects, and a non-linear map with locked areas that encourage backtracking. We sketched out dozens of ideas, bosses' abilities, lore fragments, and used storyboards to visualize how players would progress through the world. We kept asking, what's the emotional arc? What does the player feel when they enter a ruined cathedral or face a forgotten king? The stage was crucial. It helped us narrow our scope, define our tone, and build a foundation that we could prototype with confidence.
Using our research, we created a storyboard style document in Word to outline the game's flow, including the tutorial area and early levels. We also sketched the main character and catacomb environments to visualize the tone and atmosphere of the game. So these low fidelity prototypes helped us refine the game's look and feel before moving into development.
Let me share my screen. All right. Cover looks cool. Cool game. New text. Yeah, I can skip it. That's cool. Yeah, that's exactly what I had in mind. It's great. Wait, insanely fun. Oh, what happened? Huh. Yeah. Is that it? Oh, okay. This is just a demo. It's hard to tell, but I think what worked was definitely the combat. The combat's cool so far. Uh, I think the UI could use some work, like the control buttons could be more stylized and the health could also be more stylized, but other than that, I think it's good.